The Little Red Hen. Once upon a time, in a cozy little farmyard, lived a busy little red hen. She loved to peck around and explore. Her friends were a lazy dog, a sleepy cat, and a noisy duck. They spent their days napping and playing. But the Little Red Hen was always looking for something to do. She was a very industrious hen indeed. One sunny morning, while scratching in the dirt, the Little Red Hen found something special. It was a tiny golden grain of wheat. "Oh my," she clucked. "This could make delicious bread." She knew just what to do. First, she needed to plant it. "Who will help me plant this wheat?" she asked her friends. The lazy dog yawned. "Not I." The sleepy cat stretched. "Not I." The noisy duck quacked. "Not I." "Then I will do it myself," said the Little Red Hen. And so, the Little Red Hen dug the soil and carefully planted the tiny grain. She watered it every day, and soon a green sprout appeared. The wheat grew tall and golden under the warm sun. When it was ripe, the Little Red Hen knew it was time to harvest. "Who will help me cut the wheat?" she asked. Again, her friends replied, "Not I, not I, not I." So the Little Red Hen, with her strong little beak, cut all the wheat herself. Next, the wheat needed to go to the mill to be ground into flour. "Who will help me take this wheat to the mill?" she chirped. Her friends, as usual, said, "Not I, not I." So the Little Red Hen carried the heavy sack of wheat all the way to the mill. Soon she returned with a bag of fine, white flour. "Now, who will help me bake this flour into a delicious loaf of bread?" she asked. The dog, cat, and duck all shook their heads. "Not I," they mumbled. So the Little Red Hen mixed the dough, kneaded it, and popped it into the oven. Soon, the most wonderful smell filled the farmyard. The golden brown bread was ready. "Now, who will help me eat this warm, crusty bread?" she asked. Suddenly, the dog, cat, and duck all shouted, "I will!" They rushed over, their eyes wide with hunger. The Little Red Hen smiled. "Oh no, you won't," she said. "You didn't help me plant the wheat, or cut it, or take it to the mill, or bake it. So I will eat it by myself." And she did. The Little Red Hen enjoyed every single bite. Her friends watched, a little bit sad, but they learned a very important lesson that day. The Little Red Hen taught us that hard work and helping others are super important. When we all pitch in, wonderful things can happen. And when you work hard, you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor.